welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the last Halloween makeup look for the month of October. And of course, I'm saving the best for last. This is my take on the Day of the Dead makeup. For the past 3 or 4 years, I've actually did film this look, so I feel like it's a tradition of mine and I have to do this for every Halloween. So I'm just going to walk you through of what I did. Again, there's no right or wrong way, you're just showing your creativity, so let's go ahead and have fun. First, I'm just going to outline my eyes and of course the nose. So basically the eye shape is just going to be like a squoval. What's a square in a circle? Squoval? Yeah, squoval. No, that's oval. What is it? Squircle. So I'm just basically going to just create that and just black it out. And for the nose, basically a trick is thinking of an upside down spade, but instead of having that horizontal line, it's kind of like a broken tip or the bottom part, but it's upside down. As always, my Makeup Forever Flash palette is what I always use to create these types of looks. And I'm just going to take a matte black shadow just to set the creamy product. As always, everything will be listed down in the info box below. Now moving on to complexion, I'm going to use about 3 to 4 shades lighter than my actual complexion. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the white from the Flash palette and mix it together. Using a beauty blender is best for application.
Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face the lid.
After the base is applied on, I'm going to use a translucent powder. I normally like to use powder that's closer to my shade, but for the sake of this look and this video, we're going to use a translucent one so we're a little bit more brighter. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of the pink and the yellow to kind of create a coral color. And I'm basically going to draw little circles and make my eyes look like a sunflower. This part is so tedious, but you know, you can make the sunflower part look larger or smaller, again to your preference. I believe the year before this I chose yellow, and I think the year before that was maybe blue or magenta. So although I do this look every Halloween, I try to change it up a slight bit. I guess that cream product was not sticking, so I had to use a pencil just to kind of fill in the parts and set it again. Okay, with this COVID weight, I need to find where my cheeks are. I'm looking like a huge potato face, so I'm just gonna try. Oh, not bad, and alright, it's even. Nope. So I'm just gonna take my finger and blend it out so it's a little bit more smokier looking. Now I'm going to use the same pencil and just outline some teeth. But this time I'm just going to do lines for teeth. I think last year I did teeth. Oh, fun fact. Last year I actually filmed this look. Somehow when I went to go edit, it was all blank in just audio. That was so frustrating. So I actually ended up just posting the pictures, and I did teeth last year, so I'm gonna post a little picture here to show you what I did last year, and unfortunately I don't have a video. Sorry guys. For the forehead, we're going to do spider webs and a heart. I believe the first or second time I filmed this look, I did an upside down heart, so this year it's gonna be right side up. Just gonna use a smudger brush and just smudge it out. Then I'm gonna fill in the heart.
Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control.
I have to say, my favorite part is this chin part. So I've been just freehanding this flower and I just go nuts. I just do what my little heart desires. And I believe this is like a lotus flower, and I like layering this with color, adding highlights to the flower so it looks more real, it has some dimension, and of course some leaves.
Choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is the
And here is my finished flower. So I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner and just kind of fill in the cheeks part with some little squiggly lines. Then I'm going to outline the lines where my teeth should be, along with the line that goes across the lips and cheeks. I had no idea what was going on with my eyes. They just kept creasing up, although I applied on some eyelid primer. But it didn't matter anyways because I was going to apply on something bright on my lids, so I'm going to use some loose glitter. And here's a guest appearance. So I'm going to use a loose pigment on my eyes just to give it a pop. Now I'm going to pair this look with my double up lashes. They're called double up by Ardell's, but I think they're just like super stacked. Here's the fun and another tedious part. I found these little gems at Michael's and I decided to put the blues on with the corals. I thought it really did pair well and gave it a pop. Guys, this was so hard to do. Well, it wasn't really hard. It was just super tedious and it got really annoying. So I'm glad I finished. And in that box had just enough of these blue gems. Could you imagine if I had like 5 pieces missing? What would I do? It worked out perfectly. So I'm going to take a little bit of that black cream product and just kind of fill in a little bit more. some final touches, I'm just going to smudge out the edges of those lines. And I ended up just using whatever's left over on that coral color and just went around. It didn't really show too much, but the blue really gave it a pop, so I was happy with that. And now I'm just going to put on like 100 headbands because that's what I usually do. But this year, I really wanted to use the Marigold Flower. So I didn't have a headband, but I went to Michael's and I bought like a bundle. And I'm basically just cutting a few and just trying to stick them in there to see how it works. And you know, I just couldn't see in that little mirror, so I had to take everything out and apply it on elsewhere. And here is my finished look, guys. I put on a whole bunch of flowers in my head. And now I'm gonna do my little poses, but I think the outcome turned out really good. What do you guys think? See that flower? I'm very proud of that. So thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. I hope you have a great Halloween. Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!